Maggie Hardy and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to get this nice half cut crease ombre olive eyeball. Oh, that's it. I love how it turned out, so I really hope that y'all stick around and y'all want to see how I got it. Usually on Saturdays I do Saturday shout outs. I have bad news for y'all and I am so sorry, but today I won't be doing Saturday shout outs. I got handed a pretty good hefty plate this week and it's been a good one. So I've been trying to clear the plate and I know that y'all will understand, and again I'm so sorry, but I will leave the sign up on my Instagram, so go sign up. I'm so sorry that I didn't get y'all this week. I feel absolutely horrible, but again, life happens and I hope you'll understand. So before we get into the tutorial, y'all go ahead and go subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me for y'all to come join this party. I love the people that I have with me, y'all. I love y'all so much. Y'all are so supportive and so sweet. I love y'all so much, and thank you for being here. I tell y'all over and over and over again how much I appreciate y'all, but I honestly don't know what else I can do to show my appreciation. So let's grow. Let's get this thing going. Let's do this. We can do this. Let's get this party. Let's make it the biggest party anybody has ever seen. I think that's what we should do. So without further ado, me blabbing my mouth, I'm sorry. I do talk a lot sometimes. Let's just get into this tutorial. Okay, so to accomplish this look today, we're going to be going in with the Jacqueline Hill palette. And the first colors that I'm going to go into, I've already set and primed my eyes. I just used concealer and setting powder as I always do. Is this one and this one. I don't know the names. I got this on the first launch and I don't know where the card went. So I'm just going to take a big fluffy blending brush and we're just going to lightly work this in. This is going to be our transition shade. So you already know we just go in here and buff this out. Get it real nice and pretty, little circular motions. Okay, so next I'm going to be dipping into this color right here. And just with a light hand, I'm going to go in here and start blending this out. I don't know about y'all, but I really love this color. I'm going to dip in again and just add more color. I'm also going to take this down on the outer part of my lid. Okay, now that I have that, I'm going to take the two colors that we did at the beginning and I'm going to just very lightly blend out these edges. Put a little bit more of that warmer shade back in there. Where we have a flawless blend. Okay, so now I'm going to go in here and cut the crease. This is optional. You don't have to do it. Okay, now that I have that, I'm going to set it with just some loose setting powder, just so we don't get no creasing, and it's easier to blend out these shadows. Okay, and now that I have my crease cut, I'm actually going to go in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Palette. I'm going to be digging into this color right here. This is going to be for the inner corner. It's a very pretty iridescent with gold flakes. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to dip back into this green color right here just to really darken this up, and then I also want to go in and start blending out this line. Okay, now that I have that, I'm going to be dipping into the more shimmer, and I'm going to work this So now that I have that, I'm actually going to dig into this color and then just top it with this color just to give it a little bit more of a brightness to it, just to kind of fade the green, the forest green a little bit. And then we're just going to keep working on this, build up the intensity that you want. Now I'm going to go in again and we're just working on this. We're going to try to get it as blended out as best as possible. Again, trying to get the ombre effect. Okay, so now for the lower lash line, I'm just going to go in with that dark green color and go right and snug this right in here. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm gonna dip into that teal color, that pretty teal color, and I'm gonna go in here and I'm going to blend this out. Add just a little bit of brightness and color to it. And after I add that teal, I'm gonna go in with the first two shades that I use, the more warm orange tones. And go in here again and blend this out. And I'm actually going to try to connect it out to the outer corner. Okay, now that I have my lower lash line smoked out, I'm going to just use the black liner. Any black liner will do. I'm actually on the hunt for a very good black liner that won't smudge. That's drugstore. So if y'all know any, it would be greatly appreciated. Okay, so I went ahead and curled my lashes off the camera. So now I'm going to go in with the Big Shot Colossal Maybelline mascara. And I'm just going to give my lashes a coat. After that, I'm just going to go in my lash line. I'm not going to do a wing today because I really like the smoked out effect of this look. So I'm just adding enough for the falsies. Now I'll go in and I'm just going to give myself another coat. So for lashes, I'm going in with the Lilli lashes. This is in the style So Extra Miami. Okay, for inner corner highlight today, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I don't even know if I was filming. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. I really hope that y'all like it, y'all enjoy it. And again, if you want to recreate it, I would really love to see the outcome. I would love for somebody else to do it. And if you try it, again, tag me or hashtag me on Instagram. All the stuff and the information would be down below. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all again soon. Bye.